Let's make 3 delicious frozen treats, strawberry milkshake, and 2 smoothie bowls. Each recipe contains only 3 ingredients. It is very easy to make. First, we are going to make a strawberry milkshake. The milkshake that I'm making requires preparation. You will need to freeze your milk of choice. I am using coconut milk. You would need 3 to 4 scoops of ice cream. I am using oat milk ice cream. Let your ice cream sit on the counter for about 5 minutes before you make it, so it will be soft enough for you to scoop it out. The night before, I froze 1.5 cup of coconut milk into the ice cubes molds. Unmold your milk ice and add it to the blender. Next, add 2 cups of frozen strawberries. You may use fresh strawberries. Blend everything together until it reaches your desired consistency. If the milkshake is too thick, add a splash of milk. Top your milkshake with everything from whipped cream to chocolate syrup. I chose not to add any more sugar to it. Next recipe is mango and blueberry smoothie bowl. Into my blender, I'm adding 2 cups of frozen mango, 1 cup of frozen blueberries, and 1 cup of frozen coconut milk. Blend everything together till it's all smooth, and it's done. Second smoothie recipe, we have 2 cups of frozen strawberries, 1 cup of frozen pineapple, 1 fresh orange, and splash of water. Blend everything together and add 1 teaspoon of green spirulina. Blend it more, and if you desire to add even more spirulina to your smoothie, go ahead and do that. I did. Add your smoothie into the bowl. The consistency is very rich and thick. Sprinkle on top with pink potato powder, or if you have your favorite smoothie toppings. And it's ready. Thank you so much for watching and enjoy.